Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm James. Today we will talk about cities and countries.
Yes, the world is big and every city is different. Some are busy, some are quiet.
Anna, what is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo is very modern with tall buildings, but it also has old temples. And the food, sushi, ramen, it's amazing.
That sounds great. I like Barcelona in Spain. It has the sea, the beach, and beautiful buildings. The city feels very alive.
Did you try the food there?
Yes, I ate tapas and paella. The food in Spain is full of flavor.
Food is very important. It shows the culture of a place.
That's true. Every country has a different way of life. For example, in Italy, people drink coffee slowly and talk for a long time. In the US, coffee is fast, takeaway and go.
Yes, and in South Korea, there are many special cafes. Some have cats or dogs. You can drink coffee and play with animals.
That sounds fun. Anna, if you could live in one city for 1 year, where would you go?
Maybe New York City. It is busy and full of energy.
I think I would choose Copenhagen in Denmark. People there like hygge, a cozy and happy life.
That's nice. Cities are all different. Some make you excited, others make you calm.
Do you remember your first trip to another country?
Yes, it was Paris. Walking near the Eiffel Tower at night was magical.
My first trip was to Thailand. I loved the markets, the temples, and the friendly people.
Travel is wonderful because you see new things and learn new cultures.
Yes, one surprise for me was in Morocco. People invited me to drink tea even if I was a stranger.
In Japan, I was surprised too. People are very polite and trains are very quiet.
Every country teaches us something new.
So, James, what makes a city special for you?
For me, it's the people. Friendly people make a place feel warm.
For me, it's the food and traditions. If a place has good food and culture, I will never forget it.
So maybe the answer is simple: people, food, and culture.
Yes, that's what makes every city and country special.
Today, we talked about Tokyo, Barcelona, Paris, Morocco, Thailand, and more.
Each city has its own magic.
Dear listeners, what is your favorite city or country? Think about it.
Share your stories with us.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.